Right, Frankie, his tooth is loose, and he's gonna take it off with everything. As you see, we got the string connected to his tooth. Here we go.
How do you feel, Frankie?
Good.
Alright, ready?
All right.
We're gonna count 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, do it again. You gotta do it again.
Get ready.
Ready?
I don't know what's gonna work.
3,
Alright.
2, 1.
Look at Pancho playing it. Look at Pancho playing it. Oh, careful. It's gonna get your tongue. Did it do it? It's foul! Let me see Frankie. Let me see Frankie. Let me see Frankie. Let me see Frankie. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Let's see the nasty ass tooth. Is it on the? Is it on the string? Lift the string. Ugh. Is it all wet?
I'm gonna send a picture to Alex.
And grimy? Stupid man. You pulled it, huh?
No.